We got a consumer inflation just came out this morning. You realize it came in 0 and some even came in negative. How's that going to affect mortgage rates? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video, folks. So my name is Dan Frio. I'm the host of the Rate Update. I'm also a licensed mortgage loan officer in all 50 states, as well as Puerto Rico. I'll give you all my information at the end of this video. If you need some help with a mortgage, I'd love to help you out. But let's watch this first, because my goal is to help explain to you guys, if you're a homeowner, home buyer, even if you're a realtor, loan officer, what in the heck is going to go on with these today? And the most important thing is the whys behind it. So the news that we got out today, this is what happens to the bond market. So as a mortgage analyst, I like to start my day with the chart, and this is the chart that we look at. If you're new to my channel, all you have to understand is that number right up through there. If it's green, that's good news. It means mortgage rates are going to get better. 46 is fantastic. That means mortgage rates will probably drop about 1/8% today. But at the end of this video, after I advise you guys what I'm advising my clients to do, we'll come back to this and I'll tell you what I think is going to happen today and the whys behind it. So the first thing, let's get over to see where the market's going today. We even have the Dow Jones up. The Dow Jones was down about 300-400 points because IBM came out with some earnings today and it was dismal. And their stock, I think it was down like 20%. It was the biggest drop they've ever had in a single day for IBM. But if you look at the markets right now, we got the Dow Jones up, S&P up, and I think we got the NASDAQ at yet another record high. But then you're going to look at the oil prices. And oil prices, you're going to say, okay, Dan, they're they're about $80 a barrel. Well, this is shocking me as well, because if I look at oil, I'm going to say, okay, mortgage rates are going to go skyrocketing from here. But the news we got today is pretty encouraging. Let's get over to the economic news. Now, what we got today is consumer inflation. Tomorrow, we're going to get producer inflation. And let me show you what the numbers say. Okay, so here we're going to get some numbers right through here. You're going to see core, and then you're going to see a number that doesn't say core. Basically, what this is, CPI. Think of the C in the front of that as consumer. So today we got CPI. Tomorrow, we're going to get the thing called PPI. Think of that as producer inflation. Okay, so let's get over to here. Consumer inflation year over year was 4.2. And this is the thing they want at 2. Well, it's a far cry from there. They thought it would drop a little bit to 3.8. It went all the way down to 3.5. Far cry from 2, but it's going in the right direction. Well, now let's look at month over month. Now, this is where it's shocking. Last reading was up, it was almost up 0.5%. They thought it would go a little negative. It went way negative. It's now minus 0.4. So about a 1% move in that. So that's the consumer inflation month over month. So year over year, if this keeps going that way, we're going to have a good consumer inflation number. But now here's the interesting thing is, if we take out the energy prices in our inflation numbers, here's what you're going to see. Month over month in June, we had core, which strips out that energy piece. It was 0. They thought it would stay at 0.2. It was at 0.2 previously. They thought it would stay at 2.2. It went to 0.